And I'm here with Jim Cramer on the floor of the NYSE. Jim, you've got the transcript from the earnings call from Qorvo.
I'm going to talk about Qorvo. Now, not Qorvo. I know it's Bar San Miguel, and we'll be serving Qorvo tonight. Not my favorite tequila, by the way, but Qorvo, which is QRVO, is it's a combination of RF micro and triquin, and they make radio frequency chips that go into Apple. And I'm going to read something that Apple's their biggest customer. This is from Bob Bruggeworth on a very surprisingly good Qorvo quarter. He goes, he says, look, I know you clearly know who the largest one is. That's in reference to Apple. I want to be careful. We're kind of splitting hairs in this, but clearly our largest customer, we're being conservative in our guidance. We do believe down to maybe flat. I would thought down, period, judging what Tim Cook said to me on Mad Money. We'll just see. Here's the key line from the Qorvo conference call. Bob Bruggeworth, CEO, he goes, they've got some pretty good selling products. Now, no one thinks that Apple has anything really good selling this quarter. This is the SE, okay? And the SE is a new phone that is got all the power of the current, but is a smaller form factor. And I think it's selling very well in China. I do not think that people expect anything from this corner. But when I put together Qorvo's comments with some of the things that Tim Cook told me, with Alibaba and the numbers that are being generated in China, with Nike, with Starbucks, I am betting now that this quarter from Qorvo says, do not expect the worst from Apple. Now, Apple has been very good at forecasting. People don't think they have, but Tim Cook's cracked down the forecasting. This makes me a little more optimistic. Now, it's not going to be picked up by anybody. That's why I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video because I know in Doug Castig's Apple, he's written some interestingly, very horribly negative things about Qorvo, about Tim Cook. But this Qorvo call makes me feel like before you give up on Apple, read this. Because what it says is maybe they've got some products selling better. This SE could surprise.
All right, interesting take, Jim Cramer. As always, thank you. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for TheStreet.